Okay, this is ratio and proportion question 17. Now they tell us here in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint. So we know that AP equals PC. That's another way of saying that. RS is parallel to BP. Oh, I wrote that in there. So you know that AP is X and PC is X. We know the ratio on that side. RS and BP are parallel. Well, right in the little parallel marks. And that AR to AB, AR to RB is in a AB, AR to, the long side AB is in a ratio of 3 to 5. So we can write 3 to 5. And that's given. But that means we can write 3y here. The only way this can be 5 is for that to be 2y. 3 over 5. 3 to 5. Now, writing in these letters, we know that AP is X. We know that PC is X. We know that AR is 3y and RB is 2y. Hey, that's pretty useful because we've got a lot of information to work with here. Now, what's the ratio of AS to SP? Well, it must be using this triangle right here with these parallel lines. We can use that. AS over SP should be the same as AR over RB. You see those sides match. They're the same ratio. And what's the reason? Well, let's see. AS over SP is 3 to 2. It's the proportionality theorem. That's why they're the same. And we just did it. We got the ratio of AS to SP. Let's try the ratio of AS to SC. AS to SC. Ooh, that is a bigger triangle. AS to SC. Let's see, how could we do that? We know that the ratio of AS to SP is in the ratio of 3 to 2. So on this side, it's got to be in a ratio of 3 to 2. But we used X here. We used Y here. So this, I'm going to call it 3Z and 2Z. Ooh, this is really useful because now we've got the ratios of this side all figured out. But we know this is 1 to 1. So if that's 5Z, what does PC have to be? Well, it's 1 to 1. It's got to be 5Z. Now we're looking at the ratios that are going to give us the answers to most everything. Now AS to SC must be in a ratio of 3 to 7. And it all flowed out of the ratios we got from the proportionality theorem here. So we can say that AS to SC is 3 to 7. And it just flows out of the ratios we got in the proportionality theorem. And the last one, RT to TC. RT to TC must be in a ratio of 2 to 5. Now, why is that? RT to TC, there's a triangle right here where TP is parallel. You see the triangle RSC? And TP is a parallel line. It makes these sides proportional. Proportionality theorem. So we've got the last ratio too. RT to TC is 2 to 4. 2 to 5 because of the proportionality theorem. But this time it's RS parallel to TP. We'll do the area thing in the last video here.